It's gone.
All right, now it's Nona's turn. Nona's turn, Jack. Okay, Nona's turn.
Man, he just doesn't.
Back off, Jack. We don't
He's like, yep, that's fine.
There you go. Good job. Nona, there you go.
It's a little cold.
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right.
Take the whole thing.
A little close.
Good hit.
All right, here. Back off.
Hello, Kayla.
Me too. We'll both.
How are you? I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, thanks.
Enjoying the summer weather?
Without
Wonderful.
still being in school, which stinks.
What'd you say?
Still stuck being in school.
Oh yeah, I know. In March, no less.
What? Yeah. Oh my
Home stretch, man. You're almost there.
Next week?
Jack's turn. All right, give it to Jack.
This week?
Oh.
Good job, Leona. Leona, watch away. Watch out. Leona, come here. You gotta watch
Get my
out.
camera. My goodness.
Okay, go, Jack. Go. Let's see it.
Nice work. Okay, I like that.
Take a bow, bud.
Yeah, really. Okay, me too.
More.
He definitely got his talent from that. I think I saw her do it too.
She did. Oh.
Gotta back up a little bit, babe. Gotta back up a little from the plate. Put that one in. Put that one in. This way. Yep. Almost. Now put